Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today, children, in our this math class, we will read about rounding off numbers. That is exercise 1.8. Now, children, you will ask what are rounding off numbers? Rounding off numbers means we change the numbers to its similar value. The result is less accurate, but it is easier to use and to remember. We try to get the numbers in the multiples of 10. So numbers can be rounded off to the nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000 and so on. But there are some rules for that, children. So first of all, I will tell you how do we round off numbers to the nearest 10. Round off to the nearest 10. To round off a number to the nearest 10, we have to observe the digit at the ones place. Okay, you know children, the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So we will see the digit at the ones place. If the ones place digit is less than 5, then we will follow this rule, that is rule number 1. If the ones place digit is less than 5, we replace the ones digit by 0 and other digits will be same. Clear? If the digit at the ones place is less than 5, means suppose it is 4, 3, 2, 1 like that, then we will change that to 0, but other digits will not change. Now rule number 2, if the digit at the ones place will be 5 or more than 5, then digit at the ones place will become 0, but at the same time, children, we will increase the tens digit by 1. Means suppose the tens digit is 5, it will become 6. If tens digit is 7, it will become 8, like that, and other digit will be same. So I will show you this with an example, children. I am taking an example here. To round off 432 to the nearest 10. Here, children, you see 432, ones, tens, 100. So what digit is there at the ones place? It is digit 2. So 2 is less than 5. Always we have to compare with 5. So 2 is less than 5. So we will follow rule number 1. So what we will do? We will replace the digit at the ones place by 0 and other digits will be same. There will be no change in other digits. So when we round off 432 to the nearest 10, then answer will be 430, that is 430. Now it will be more clear. I am taking again an example, children. Next example is we have to round off number 2856 to the nearest 10. Again you write here place values, children, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and check your digit at the ones place. What is the digit at the ones place? It is your 6. Now 6 is more than 5 or less than 5? Yes, 6 is greater than 5. So when the digit at ones place is 5 or greater than 5, we follow the rule number 2. So here we will follow the rule number 2. So in this rule, what we will do? This ones digit will become 0 and digit at the tens place will increase by 1. Means this 6 becomes 0, but here this 5 will increase by 1, that is it will become 6. So our converted number, our nearest 10 rounding off number will be 2860. So when we round off 2856 to the nearest 10, our result is 2860, that is 2860. So always, children, you have to check the digit which is at the ones place. If the digit at the ones place is less than 5, you will follow the rule number 1. That is, digit at the ones place will become 0 and there will be no changes in other digits. But at the same time, if the digit at the ones place is 5 or more than 5, we will follow the rule number 2. In that rule, what we do, children? We write the digit at the ones place 0 and the digit at the tens place will increase by 1. That is, here 6 becomes 0 and this 5 becomes 6. It will be more clear, children, when we will do some more questions of the exercises. Now let's start question number 1. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. Here 5 questions I have taken, children. Now we will discuss one by one all of these. Now I will show you the steps in the rough column. You may also show the steps in the rough column. Now our question number A, that is 3814. Now I am taking this. I am solving in the rough column, children. You see, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. What digit is there at the ones place? It is your digit 4. Clear? Now 4 is less than 5 or more than 5? Yes, it is less than 5. So you will follow the rule number 1. So when the ones digit is less than 5, what we do? We write the ones digit 0 and there will be no changes in other digits. So the number will be 3810. So 3814 rounded off to the nearest 10 will become 3810. Clear? Because 4 is less than 5, so we are following the rule number 1. So let's write this answer here, children. Now we have question number B, 8757. I am again solving in the rough column, children. I am showing you here. Look, what digit is there at the ones place? It is your 7. Clear? 7 is more than 5. So when the digit at the ones place is equal to 5 or more than 5, we follow rule number 2. So our rule number 2 is, you will replace the digit at the ones place by 0. Means 7 will become 0. And the tens digit will increase by 1. So this 5 will become 6. So our number will be 8760. So 8757 rounded off to the nearest 10 will be 8760. Clear? Always you check the children digit at the ones place and you have to follow the rule. So write this answer here, children. Now we are moving to question number C, 3085. Again I am taking in the rough column. 3085, digit at the ones place is 5, that is equal to 5. Again we will follow rule number 2. So what we will do? Digit at the ones place will become 0 and the digit at the tens place will increase by 1. So what is the digit here, children, at tens place? 8. So 8 becomes 9. Very good. So our number will be 3090. Okay, there will be no changes in hundreds and thousands place. So our number will be 3090. So 3085 rounded off to the nearest 10 will become 3090. I hope you are getting, children. Always we have to check the digit at the ones place. So write this in your answer here. Okay. Now our D number question, children, 7859. Again I am taking and solving in rough column. Look at here. 7859. What digit is there at the ones place? It is your 9. 9 is more than 5. So which rule you will follow? 1 or 2? Yes, rule number 2. So here what we will do? Replace the ones digit by 0. So here our ones digit is 9. So 9 will become 0. Okay. And the tens digit will increase by 1. So 5 will become 6. So our number will be 7860. So our answer will be 7860. See, I am writing here. So our 7859 rounded off to the nearest 10 will become 7860. This also you can write in the rough column, children. It will help you out. Now write your answer here, 7860. Now E number, last question, children, 8165. Again I will solve in the rough column. Look at here. Now you tell me, children, what digit is there at the ones place? It is your 5. Very good. 5 is equal to 5. So which rule you will follow? 1 or 2? Rule number 2. So what is your rule number 2? This ones digit will become 0. So at the place of 5 we will write 0. But at the same time this tens digit will increase by 1. So 6 will become 7. So our number will be 8170. So 8165 rounded off to the nearest 10 and the answer will be 8170. Okay. So we will write here children 8170. I hope you are getting. Here children we are just checking the digit at the ones place. Okay, if it is less than 5 we follow the rule number 1 and if it is equal to 5 or more than 5 we follow the rule number 2. You just copy all these things in your notebook children. And now it's time for your home assignment. Next question number 2 and 3 we will do in our next class. Now your home assignment is you will practice all the sums in your rough copy and solve your exercise 1.8 question number 1, that is your round off the given numbers to the nearest 10 in your notebook. Okay, you just do all the steps in your rough column. It will help you out. Thank you children. Stay safe and do all the assignments in neat and clean handwriting. I will be sending all the assignments through the attachments and also I will send the solution of your last homework through the attachment. You have to match your answers children. Thank you. Have a nice day.